Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the bash script. Today we are going to learn how do I perform the basic HTTP GET request in the bash. Means we are going to call the API in our bash script. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So here we have the bash script to call the API. Let's have a look on that one. So here we have the code. Let's comment this one. Okay. So here we go with the code. Making the GET request. Let's take an example of any fake REST API. Let's go and Google the fake REST API, JSON placeholder. Okay, take any kind of API from here and let's call it any that we have the 100 posts. So this is the post that we have, and we have the user ID and all. Okay, so let's add the curl request from here. Okay, so this is the making the get request using the curl. So here we have a curl and replace the URL with your desired endpoint. Check the HTTP response code with this HTTP code. This is a variable curl, and here we get the HTTP code with this example. Okay, so let me add our API data over here. So you will get to know about the which HTTP status code over here. Displaying the response. Okay, so you can display the response like this. Displaying the HTTP response code with the help of this. Okay, let's save it and try to run it. Okay, and here we go with, you can see the whole data with HTTP response code is 200, and you can see we have successfully called the API with all the data that what we have. Okay, you can see the response also, right, in a neat and clean way. So whenever you try to call an API, you can directly call with this for with the help of the bash script, right? You can see you successfully get the HTTP response code also, you get the API call also, and whatever do the manipulation in the next phase or something you can do also. Okay, so let's reframe or let's understand more in deeply. Okay, so here we go with this one hyphen ss. So whatever we have mentioned over here, hyphen ss, silent mode for the curl, for suppress, progress, meter, and only show the errors. Okay, hyphen ss. So here whatever we have added, hyphen s, only hyphen s. Okay, here you can see the hyphen s only. Silent mode to prevent curl from showing the progress or the error messages. Okay, so this is for that one. If you want to silent mode to prevent curl from showing the progress or something, you can use hyphen s. Hyphen o, somewhere we have used the hyphen o. What's the use? Dev null. So this is hyphen s, the dev null, w http code. What exactly it means? Okay, so it outputs only the HTTP response code to dev/null, a special file that discards the data, then writes the response code to the standard output for that one. Okay, the hyphen ss. Okay, so this one, the hyphen ss, only suppresses the unnecessary output while the response is stored in the response. Okay, so these are the meaning of that small things. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.